Children, we are on the second part of the lesson 3 science. Let us see regular bowel movement. So we chew the food well, and a healthy digestive system helps in formation of proper faces. This leads to regular bowel movement, which ensures that the toxins and waste materials that are in our body eliminate regularly, which prevents digestive disorders and ensures good health. So proper bowel movement is very essential for our body as it removes the toxins and waste materials. Then coming to the next part, drink sufficient water. Water is a very important part of our diet, and it is especially important for the process of digestion. So it helps in the absorption of food and nutrients in the intestine. Water helps in the removal of solid waste from our body and prevents the stomach walls from coming in contact with the acids produced by the stomach walls. So what will happen if we do not drink water? Lack of water can disrupt the process of digestion that affects the bowel movement, which will lead to constipation and discomfort. Then coming to the next part, this is excretory system. You can see the diagram. These two are the kidneys. This is the renal vein, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. This all combines our excretory system. So human body keeps working all the time. It produces different types of waste material which need to be removed. The excretory system is the system of an organism's body that performs the functions of excretion, the bodily process of discharging waste. You can underline the process by which the waste get removed from our body is called excretion. Let us see the parts which are there made up of excretory system. Pair of kidney, pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. First is kidney. They are two reddish brown bean shaped organ in our body. You can see here. These two are the kidney. Urine is formed inside the kidney. They filter and absorb the waste from the blood and release it in the form of urine. Infobus, our skin removes excess water and salt from the body as a sweat. Sweat contains salt and water, which is removed by the skin. Next, coming to ureters. Urine is transported from the kidney to the urinary bladder through the thin tubes called ureters. These are the thin tubes you can see through which it is passed. Next, urinary bladder. Urine is stored inside the urinary bladder. Next comes urethra. Urine is released out of the body through the urethra. Coming to healthy eating habits related to digestion and excretion. Let us see. You should wash your hands properly both before and after eating food. We should do that so that the germs will not get inside our body. Do not drink a lot of water while eating. It will dilute the digestive juices. Please avoid drinking water while eating. Eat food rich in fiber like oat, beans and banana. This helps in good bowel movement. Fiber is very required for our body. It is helpful for good bowel movement. We should chew the food properly. Food that is chewed properly get digested properly. We should be regular about the meal timings. Whichever is the regular meal timings, we should eat in that time only. We should not delay it. We should take a balanced diet. We should eat fresh fruits and green vegetables. The diet should be a balanced one. It is important to sit down and relax while eating. We should not stand and eat. We should sit down and relax while eating. We should drink plenty of water. Rest a while after taking meals. After taking meals, we should take some rest. Let's do this one. Organs of the digestive system. Digestion begins here, mouth. It pushes the food down, food pipe. It churns the food, stomach. The liver and pancreas release digestive juice here. This is small intestine. It absorbs water and forms waste product called feces, large intestine. Feces are passed out of the body through it, that is anus. Let's recap. All the points are important. Please tick it out. The exercise we will give in the next video.